Hey YouTubers, we've got mate Gary shooting. First he can't ride a bike, and now he's going to try and shoot him. I think it's just fired the whole magazine.
Machine gun style.
Oh, I'm so glad this is not our pistol. Whose pistol is it?
Yeah, it must have done machine gun fire, man.
Whose pistol is it?
Finney's.
Oh mate, Finney's pistol. He asked me to test it out, and I think this is why. Oh man, I'm so glad I got that on video. He didn't just fire the whole fucking magazine.
Yeah, all in one go.
It sounded like it was like a fucking Uzi.
Machine gun fire.
Where did you actually aim?
The TV, man.
Well, it's not them ones because they're the ones that I did. Here look, in box. There's actually a few in the box here. It fired the whole magazine nearly. What the fuck? Fucking hell. That's why I didn't want to fire that, because it was fucked. Oh, fucking hell.